Hello world! Hi, it's me again, Freddy. In the last video, I'm having fun making a simple reply Telegram bot in collaboration with a 7th grader boy. The bot that we make together is working just fine. The Python code is running on my local computer. But what if I shut down my computer? What if my internet connection got some problem? Which is likely happens in my region here. So we need our computer or server to be always on and high reliability of the internet connection. To achieve those requirements, we can move our simple Python code into a server on the cloud. In that way, we are going to use platform as a service. So we can continue developing our apps without wasting our time taking care of the server uptime and the internet connection. And we can get all of the services for free. Sounds very unreal, right? But it is what it is. Of course, we will have some limitations on this free package. There are many platform as a service provider out there. But we will learn to use Heroku in today's video. Let's start. First, we need to prepare our code. To be able to deploy on Heroku, we need two files other than our Python code. First is the proc file. It contains only worker, Python, and then your Python file. The second one is requirements.txt. It will contain all the Python modules that we use in our code. After that, we can create a repository at GitHub to post our code there. You have to make your GitHub account if you don't have one, and it's also free. Copy this git remote add your repository name, then open your terminal. Go to your Python code folder, which already has the proc file and the requirements.txt. Do this git init to initialize git. Git add space dot to add all of the files. Git commit mid-m initial commit. Git push origin master to push it to GitHub. We can check to GitHub just to make sure that the files have already been uploaded. Then we go to heroku.com. First, we need to have a Heroku account. You will get free 550 dyno hours per month, which is equals only 22 days within a month. So you will have to register your credit card to get more extra 450 dyno hours, which is more than enough to just run an app for a full month. Okay, let's continue. Click New Create new app. You have to pick a unique name for your app. Choose Europe region for the best ping time to the api.telegram.org since it's located in Amsterdam. Then click Create App. Click Connect to GitHub. Type in your GitHub repository name. Click Search. Then click Connect. Enable automatic deploy. By enabling this automatic deploy, if you make any changes that you commit on your code and push to GitHub, it will automatically deploy to this Heroku app. It is a continuous integration, continuous delivery methods implementation. Okay, then let's click Deploy Branch. Wait until deployment is finished. Go to the Resources tab. Maybe you will have to wait for some time for the resource to appear on the page. You will see the worker that you have set on the proc file. Enable it by click on the pencil icon. Then click the switch button. Then confirm. To check the progress, click more on the upper right, then click View Logs. We can try to send a message to the bot to see the output on the apps. And yes, the bot is working good with a super fast response time. That's it. I hope this video helps you a lot, and good luck with your Telegram bot projects. Please subscribe and leave any comments below. I will more than happy to respond to any of your questions. I'm Freddy. See you in the next video.